So these are 6 picture frames, 3 different colors. That's my black paint. Yes, I use my rain boots to hold them, and I am going to paint them. So these are the photos that I got printed out. 2 coats.
It's just our yard. It's honestly pretty cute. Hers is her boyfriend.
So here is the bookshelf measurement, and those are some of. I need 1 more to put there and 2 more here, and that's it. So I have here Caliph, whatever Dubai thing. I have Italy, Paris, the thing, Eiffel Tower. I have Big Ben with a little piece of the bridge. I have Times Square, and I have Statue of Liberty with the Freedom Tower. Yes, I messed up my wall, so I got to paint it over and put it out back. Yes, some areas of it I jacked up. I bought the paint to touch up this area, and that's what's up. Oh, bad lighting. I don't know, that's me and the telly. I patched this hole out, so that needs to paint. I bought the paint. So this is it, y'all. I need a fan right here, and I need a chandelier right here, and this is where I was painting, doing my job. I pick up the drop pot, which is a ripped paper garbage bag. Over here I did this hole over. That's where the security camera wire come through, and I patched that out. So this is me doing my thing and finish trying to finish my project. However, it's not going to finish right now. Yes, I do purchase the bookshelf, and it's not available to pick up. I purchased it yesterday, and it won't be available at Quartz for pickup until next week. You know, the lockdown kind of jacked up everything and everybody. So yeah, that's what's up. I figured a new features on my phone, which, yes, I said I figured it. I know it was there, and I figured it out. I touched something and the screen opened up, and I was like, whoo, why this looks so big? I didn't know about zooming out and or whatever. Anyways, then I went to photo studio. Look at my hand with paint today, and I was telling the girl, because I'm excited, I was like, did you know that this? Of course they know. So I'm sweating bullets in here. It's raining, y'all. And she also showed me some other features on the camera, and yes, I am not good with technology. I'm gonna learn graphic design, because my BF bought me a computer, and I told him I need graphic design on it, extra memory and stuff like that. So yeah, a Mac. Yeah, it's raining. Look, it's raining. I love it when it rains. I freaking love it when it rains. And I always laugh when they ask, don't ask me why. I don't know why. So guys, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, 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 I need it. Listen, I'm on YouTube last year, April, to now. It's a year, 0.5. And I have 440 subscribers. I joined TikTok April of this year. I have 1,023 followers. Oh, there's my nephew when we went and get the breadfruit. Oh shit. Yeah. Where's my nephew? And the breadfruit tree. I'm watching my own video, but you know it's not gonna show good. Whatever. Where's my nephew? There he is picking up breadfruit, and that's my land right there. That's my piece of property. All of that brown area right there. Oh, you can't see it. Jack ship. Yes, I'm show offing. Ooh, I got 5 breadfruit and they all finished. So yes, y'all. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on TikTok, Crazy Shampoo. It's super, super hot in here. Yeah, I'm sweating. And with oil paints. Because, oh, I paint the picture frames. Did I mention that? Oh, I paint the picture frames. There were different colors, and I paint them. And yeah, of course, told you one is missing. And that's the little family over there. And can't show you the boyfriend picture. It's right here, but I won't show it to you, but it's here. That's my dad too. I'm on the TV right there. Norris Brown. Okay, so I did this wall. This is my wall. It's my wall. I didn't open the screen. I forgot to do that before I press start. So this is the thing, the two little ballerina yoga girl that I purchased yesterday in Quartz. And yeah, I purchased these as well with the wall unit at Quartz. And yeah, that's what's up, guys. That's what's up.